Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. I would like to thank you all for your likes and valid comments. Keep sharing and encourage me for more recipes. Today is another recipe with soup. I would like to do it with broccoli. Let's begin with broccoli soup. To begin, little bit of oil, butter, garlic, onions, broccoli. Once this is sauteed well, vegetable stock or water can be added. After adding the vegetable stock, I would pressure cook this and allow it to cool. Grind it to a fine paste. I've made this into a smooth paste. To make this into a smooth, creamy texture, I'm going to strain this up. To this, I'm going to add in milk, salt, and some pepper. While you serve, you can add fresh cream if you wish to. Then you can add some fried garlic. For this, I have sliced the garlic and deep fried it. It gives the crunchy effect when you put it on the top. Now it's time to serve the yummy soup. Broccoli soup with little whipped cream on the top and some deep fried garlic. For more healthy soups, subscribe SBL Foods.